So now we have the question. Bhaktaru Prabhuji is asking below question. Hare Krishna Maharaj. Dandavat Pranam. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. Dear Maharaj, thank you very much for enlightening us with Harikatha. I have a question as below. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Swami Maharaj Thakur Prabhupada ji. No. You are addressing about Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta is wrong. It should be like His Divine Grace Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada mentioned that one should pray sincerely and beg for Sri Nityananda Prabhuji's kick to get out from his samsara, from this samsara, from this material attachment. Yeah, this is good. Yes, this is true. You know, Prem Vivarto, there is a book written by Jagadananda Pandit. He says, all the Harikatha, all the pastimes, we are hearing how Mahaprabhu delivering. Still, people are not feeling inspiration to follow the bhakti path. Then Nityananda Prabhu say, Tobe tar sire padaghat karo. Padaghat means then Tobe tar lathi mara sire upor. Lathi means feet. Hit on his head with my feet. Kick. Yeah, he's a kick. Kick to get out from the samsara. Nityananda Prabhu is telling so. But this is his mercy, you know. Mahajan, it's another form of Supreme Lord Krishna. Nityananda Balaram. If he kick with his feet on our head, then all our material attachment passing away. All you want to get the kick by Nityananda on our head. Then our all material attachment immediately pass away. So I think it's a question of why is this? This is the way to bestow the mercy. How can we understand this? You know, material world is perverted of spiritual world. If someone put their feet on anybody's head here, he feel insulted. But in spiritual abode, if Krishna keep his feet on anybody's head, they feel fortunate, insulted and fortunate. So Nityananda Prabhu is not like a material personification, he is transcendental personification. So please feel merciful if Nityananda kick with his feet on your head. Hare Krishna. And I don't know, there's so many messages, I don't know how to check. And then Krishna Murti. Krishna Murti. No, there is no message from no. Yeah, there is no message from Krishna Murti. I don't know who else that. So far, this is the only one question coming from So here there is explanation. So yesterday I said that I have to explain you that several 33 symptoms, 33 sanchari, 33 Vyabhichari bhava means bodily symptom manifest in ecstatic love, manifest in ecstatic love. Like first he says stambho. Stambho I said yesterday what? Okay. Yeah. Nirbeda. Yeah, this is 33. Nirbeda. Nirbeda, there is one ecstatic symptom. Indifference, right? Then Vishada, more senses. Daina, meekness. Actually, better is the meekness. Best word, meekness. I think this is humility. It's best word. Humility. This. Then glani. Glani is a feeling that one is in a faulty position. Glani, feeling that one in a faulty position. क्या? उल्टी बोलता हूँ? कथा सुन रहा है two engineer. So glani, some faulty feeling that one is in faulty position. You know this ecstatic, one of the ecstatic mood. Ready? Now? Everything fine? Okay. The first is nirbed. Nirbed means indifference. Vishada, more senses. More senseness. More senseness. Daina, humility. And here, and then glani, feeling that faulty, right? Glani, feeling some faulty. Srom means, srom means actually work hard, we can say. But here writing fatigue. Mado, madness. God means pride. Shanka, doubt. Trash, shock. So how many? That's 9 to have, huh? 9 trash. Abeg. Abeg is intense emotion. Unmad. Unmad is craziness. Then apashmar. Apashmar means forgetfulness. Badhi. Badhi means disease. Moho, bewilderment. Moti. Moti means mriti habe na mritu. No. Moti. Moti means mind. Alasya, laziness. Jaddo, where we talked yesterday. Jaddo is invalidity. Jaddo. Then, what is this here? I cannot understand this typing. Anyway. Brida, same. Brida means same, and lajja. Then Abahita. Abahita means concealment. Then Smriti, remembrance. Then Bitarko. Bitarko means argument. Chinta, contemplation. Actually thinking is very better. 23 Moti. Moti means attention. Dhriti. Dhriti means forbearance. Harsho means jubilation. Utsukko. Utsukko means eagerness. Utsuk. Ogra means violence. You may think that. Then Amorsho, anger. Ashua, jealousy. Chapalla, impudence. Nidra, sleep. Sukti means deep sleep. And Prabodho, awakening. This is such type of 33 symptoms Radharani had while she was with Krishna. So the Trisanchari. There is also different type of mode. Anyway, we have to go again that Madhya Bayasha Sakhi Skandhe Koronash Krishna Lila Monovritti Sakhi Aspas Nijango Sauravalaya Garba Bajjanka Tate Basi Ache Sada Chinte Krishna Sango Krishna Nam Gunajas Abatangsha Kane Krishna Nama Guna Jas Prabhava Vachane. Radharani's, this is how she is surrounded, Madhya Vayesh. This all the Sakhis, their age around 15. Always around 15. 13 to 15 in between. Not more than that. Like Lalita Sakhi's age, 14 years, 3 months, 11 days. So Madhya Vayesh. Sakhi Skandhi, Karo Nyasha. Karo means hand, like this. Nyasha, putting there. Skandha means shoulder. Sakhi means associate. So associates Radharani, keeping her hand like this. Krishna Lila Monobritti Sakhiya Spas. Krishna like it. Krishna Lila Monobritti. All the Sakhis, their main intention to keep Radha Krishna always together. But our tendency here in the material world, we want to be alone, right? So we want to meet our beloved with alone, not with any other. Therefore I say it is everything perverted. What we are thinking here, they are just opposite. Because there is no lust, only love is there. Therefore Radha Gayatri, if anyone have, they may understand that they are chanting Prema Rupaya, embodiment of love. Who is this? Radha. Prema Rupaya. So they can understand full love. There is no lust at all. Nijango Shaurabhalaye Pajjanko Tate Bosiyache Sada Chango Nijango Shaurabhalaye. Shaurabhalaye means, Saurabh means nice fragrance. Nijanga means own body. Means Krishna Radharani's body. Garba Pajjanto. Pajjanko. Garba means pride. Everybody can feel pride. Radha, they call it like this. Tate boshi ache sada chinte Krishna sangho. And sada means eternally Radharani always thinking and chinte Krishna sangho. Means Krishna means association of Krishna. Word by word translation I can do that, but each says, Goswami's translation there says, not here, you have to go this chapter, not there, that chapter, then you can read this as 20 sloka. It's very difficult, better to just, because this is my language, I can translate. Tate bosi ache sada chinte Krishna sangho. Always thinking Krishna, how to please Krishna. Krishna Nam Guna Jas Avatangsha Kane. Kane means ear. Always hearing Krishna, Nam, Gun and Jas means Krishna's name, Krishna's quality, Krishna's fame. How Krishna lifted up Govardhan hill. Power, fame. Krishna Nam Guna Jas Prabhava Vachane. Even he's hearing that, he's telling also same thing. Actually, Krishna Nam, if you always talking, thinking, Krishna always in his name. Krishna Katha. Krishna, Gun means Krishna Katha. Krishna's Josh, Krishna's fame is all Krishna Katha connected with. So Radha always with Krishna in that way. Even she is in Javod, she is in Varshana, still she is always with Krishna, with her thinking. Krishna's gun means quality, means Krishna's fame, Krishna's naam. All the Sakhis also there, also doing so. This is Radharani's associate. Krishna ke karaye shama rasha madhupan, nirantar purna kare Krishner sarvakam. अवतांश कर्णेर अलंकार विशेष कृष्ण नाम गुण जशी ताहार कर्ण अलंकार कृष्ण नाम गुण जशवाक्य कली श्रुति श्याम रोष न कृष्ण के करा श्याम रोष मधुपान कृष्ण नाम गुण Krishna's name, Krishna's quality, Krishna's glory, Krishna's fame, that sroth, that flow always in the air of Radharani. This is Sam Rosh Madhudhara. This is Sam Rosh Madhudhara. Madhu means honey, Sam Rosh means Krishna Rosh, always is hearing. I think it is very difficult to find anyone who has such eagerness to hear always Krishna, 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 Krishna. This is Radharani, Prema Rupaya, therefore. Nirantara purna kare Krishnere sarvakam. Nirantar, constantly. Even Krishna with her, she is also telling Krishna's glories. Krishna also, now because she Radhika Murtiman Krishna Prema Sindhu. Radhika is embodiment of Krishna Prema ocean, loving Krishna's ocean. This is who says that Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami says. Now what he said, Krishna Prema ocean. Now I am going to read. Krishnere Vishuddha Prema Ratnero Akar Anupam Gunagan Purna Kalebor. Krishna Vishuddha Prema Sakya, Parokiya, so many, but Vishuddha. Pure, extremely pure, purest, the loving, Ratno Akar. Akar means the root of Ratno. You can say, Akar means actually raw materials. So, but here, Akar means Ratner Akar. Krishna's Vishuddha Prema Ratna. Ratna means diamond, right? Prema's diamond. This Akar, the root, is source, yeah. Source is Radha. Who is the Radha? Anupam Gunagan Purna Kalevar. Anupam, no one can compare with her. But Gunagan, all this quality, Ratno, Prema Ratno, means Radharani. No one can compare with Radharani, not one equal to her. Purna Kalevar, her entire body is like a Krishna Prema Ratno. Krishna Prema Ratno. Always love for Krishna, the diamond who loves Krishna. That is explained by but here Srila Prabhupada, Srimati Radhikai Krishna Nirmal Premarup Ratner Akar, source of Nirmal Prem. No doubt. In love, there is no doubt. Krishna Prema Sindhu. Krishna Prema Sindhu means loving ocean of love for Krishna. Murta Vigraha, embodiment. And Radhikara Deho. This is Radhikar body. Deho means body. Atulaniya Gunoshamaya Paripurno. Atulaniya means there is no comparison. Her quality, no one can compare with her. So therefore, we can see on Radhi Tarunam, that sloka. So Krishna took Radharani, middle of the Rash. Radhikai Krishna Mul Akar. Radhikai, this is explained by Krishna Das Kaviraj Krishna. Radhika is the source of Krishna Prem. I explained before, whoever chanting Radha's Gayatri, they understand what they are chanting. Prema Rupaya, Vidmahe Prema Rupaya. Prema Rupaya means embodiment of love. This is Radharani, whose love Krishna's Prem. Pranaya Janibhu means Krishna Pranaya means Krishna Prem, loving. Krishna's Pranaya Janmabhumi means birth, land, birthplace of Krishna Prem is Radhika. It is called Govinda Lilamrita. Ka Krishnasya Pranaya Janibhu Srimati Radhikaika. Who is this? Na Krishna Pranaya Janabhumi ke Akashimati Radhika. This is Prabhupada says. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says. Only Radharani is the, we can say, before is a source, we can say Janmabhumi means birth. Native land, we can say Janmabhumi. The birthplace of Krishna's love is Radharani. Therefore we can see there is a, in this book, I don't know where, in this Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishna Das Kaviraj to explain that the sloka, not this. Oy Deena Dayadra Natha, He Mathura Natha Kadavalakashe, Hridayam Tatalaka Katarang, He Daita Bhammati Kim Karam Maham. That sloka, who chanted? Srimati Radharani. And this sloka meaning I think everybody knows. Because Radharani with her sulky mood, she expressed, sulky mood means inside love, outside anger, and she said, you are no more Vrindavan now. You are not no more Lord of Vrindavan. You are Mathura now, the Lord of Mathura. Again she said, Vedina Dayadra Natho He Mathura Kadavala Hridayam Loko Kataram, my heart. Tarapra means like a feeling so much. Chotpot, restlessness. My heart becomes restless for to get your service. Hridayam Loko Kataram. My heart becomes restless. Hey Daito, oh my dear, Kim Karam Maham, what I'll do without your service? What I'll do here without your service? You know, this sloka chanted by Srimati Radharani, this extreme sloka. After Radharani, this Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami says, এই শ্লোক কইয়াছেন রাধা ঠাকুরানী जार कृपाय स्फुरी आछे माधवेंद्र वाणी. After Radharani, Madhavendra Puripad rallies this sloka, taste of the sloka. For realization, the sloka, okay, based on realization. After Madhavendra Puripad, you can see so many our Goswamis, but Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami says only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. এই শ্লোক কইয়াছেন রাধা ঠাকুরানী, যার কৃপায় স্ফুরিয়াছে মাধবেন্দ্র বাণী, কিবা গৌরচন্দ্র ইহা করে আস্বাদন. গৌরচন্দ্র means চৈতন্য মহাপ্রভু, আস্বাদন means realization, আস্বাদন, টেস্টেড. ইহা আস্বাদিতে আর নাহি চৌঠা জন. There is no any fourth person exist to get the realization. Such realization. We may say we have, but so therefore Govinda Lilamrita ka Krishnasya pranajanibu Srimati Radhikaika. Radharani is Krishna Prema, homeland, we can say that homeland, Janmabhumi. Then Kasha Preo Sadhikaika Nachanna means Krishna Anupam Guna Piyake. Krishna Anupam Guna Piya means there is no comparison. The Krishna Prem with others. Who is that? This is not of interrogation. Eka Radhika Anya no. Only Radharani. Others no. This is explained by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur as well as Govinda Lilamritam. Jai Brahm Keshe Drishi Taralata Nishthuratam Kuchashvam. Keshe means here. Kutilata. Jaiham mana crawling here, curl here. Drishi Taralata. Drishi Chakshe Taralata. Eyes Taral means tear, and actually watery eyes. We can say like that, watery eyes. Then Nishthuratam Kuchasya. Kuch means the cheek, right? Anyway, Kuchata Nishthurata. Kuch means actually it's good cheek, okay. Nishthurata Prakriti Radhika Yaja. All these attractive, her face like this. I already explained. Here just explanation. Radharani is beautification, Radharani is quality, Radharani is all gunabali, means qualities. All this, all the description here, only Radharani is. What I am telling you. Vancha putte prabhavati hoye radhikaika nachanna. Only Radharani, whatever Krishna's desire, she is the only eligible to fulfill Krishna's desire. No any other. Like I explained that Subal Sakha, with the form of Subal Sakha, with the outfit of Subal Sakha, Radharani came. And Radharani, with the voice of Subal Sakha, says, it is impossible to bring Radha here. Radharani herself says, but I do one thing. On the way, I met Chandravali. She is ready to come. Then Krishna replied, no, I want Radha. So only Radharani is the only embodiment, Krishna Prema embodiment, loving form of Krishna's Prema, fulfilling Krishna's all desire, we can say. All desire fulfilling embodiment is Radha. What? Whose desire? Krishna's desire. That's Radha. Then Radhikar Krishna Bashokari Vividha Gun. Radhikar Krishna Bashokari. Krishna boss. To make Krishna under her control. You can say. Vividha Gun. Different quality. How Radharani control Krishna. You can say Krishna boss me like that. So here the explanation. Jara Shaubhagya Guna Vanche Satyabhama. Krishna's Saubhagya. To meet with Krishna, Satyabhama means Krishna's Mahishi from Dwarka. She always feels jealousy. Krishna always should be with me, you know. Then we know there is. But anyway, first of all, read what Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami says. Jar Shaubhagya Guna Vanche Satyabhama. Jar Thai Kala Bilasho Shikhe Brujo Rama. Jar Thai Kala Bilasho Shikhe Brujo Rama. Jar Sundar Jadi Guna Vanche Lokhi Parvati. Jar Pratiprata Dharmo Vanche Arundhati. Jar Sadgun Gagane Krishna Napaye Par. Jar Gun Gonibe Kamone Jivo Char. Tar Gun Gonibe Kamono Jivo Char. Very nice explanation. But I have to look. I can explain, but better what our Prabhupada says. Let's see. 182. Oh my God, say again. He said, go to that. I don't like to go there anyway, I have to read like that. So what I am understanding from the sloka text. Because if I go there, there's long history. It cannot finish the whole life. Jar Shaubhagya, whose fortune? Guno Vanche Satyabhama. Radharani, Krishna always thinking about Radha. Even Krishna in Dwaraka, but Krishna always thinking about Radha and her associate gopis. Satyabhama begging that. Saubhagya. Who's Saubhagya? As fortune. Who is really, really fortunate enough. Who has always Krishna, to whom Krishna wants to be always. Krishna's desire to be always with Radha. Therefore, Radha is inconceivable Saubhagya, you can say. Radha's Saubhagya, Radha's fortune is inconceivable. No one can compare. Right? Yeah. Jar Thai Kala Bilasa Shikhe Brujo Rama. All the Brujo Gopis. Brujo Rama means Brujo Gopis. Jar Thai means association. Radha association. Yet they are learning all the quality to please Krishna. You know this. Radha is the topmost. Then Brajagopis. Crowned of Brajagopis. So Brajagopi learning that. Therefore here, Jar Nahi Kala Bilasa Shikhe. Shikhe means learning. Who? Brajo Rama. all the Brajagopis learning all the kala art, to pleasing, greeting, pleasing. This is our art. Radha knew it. So who learned? All the Brajagopis learning from Radha. Jara Sundar Jadi Guno Vanche Lokhi Parvati. Whose Sundarja with beauties. Quality. Vanche Sundar Jadi Guno. Beauty, quality, Vanche, begging. Who? Lakshmi Parvati. Vishnu's consort, Shiva's consort, Parvati. Parvati, you can see, there is when, Lord Shiva, devotee of Lord Ram, right? Ram, 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 we chant it, Lord Shiva, 5 phases. So Parvati, when she married, or Sati, when she married, first she thought that my husband is like crazy. Crazy. Why my father, Prajapati, Prajapati Daksha, Daksha, why is he arranged my marriage with? Actually, Narad. Narad is connector. It is eternally. She is consort of Parvati, Shiva. Also, when Shiva going, Kailash, going with Viman to airplane, not like our airplane, that's a divine airplane. Then he saw Ramchandra crying, Lakshmana crying. Ramchandra crying behind Lakshmana in one forest. Then Shiva knew about why he's crying. So Shiva, then Parvati, Sati and Shiva together, they come down, take darshan of Prabhu, and Shiva respect Ramchandra like his worshipful God. And Sati is thinking, looks like he is a God. How is it possible? He's not God. Actually, he's crying, he's for his wife. If he's God, he can discover. Where is Siddha? He's not God. So when she is just going, Shiva paying obeisance and going back, paying obeisance to Lord, and look the Lord's pastimes. Then they reach Kailasha. And then there are conversation taking place. How is it possible? He is not God. I like to see how he become God. So Dandakaranya forest, that when Ramchandra was searching Sita, the Sati appeared in the form of Sita, and in front of Ramchandra appeared. So she thought, I like to test how he can recognize me. So immediately Ramchandra says, Kailash, you are you have to be in Kailash. When somebody, when he addressing her, yeah, Shivani. Actually, you have to be in Kailash. Then she understood that he is really God. He made mistake. I heard there is a Kunda Kumari means because of that. Because of that, Kunda Kumari place appear like that. I don't know exact meaning, exact fact of what they are, but this is. So, Shiva Parvati, Lakshmi Parvati, all this Vishnu, this. Everybody wants to be with Krishna, right? Lakshmi, Parvati, they are expansion of Radharani. They want to be with Krishna. Therefore, they are also begging such type of quality of Radharani, such type of beauty of Radharani. Jar Prativrata Dharma Banche Arundhati. Prativrata means chastity. We said we know Radharani have no chastity, right? But Radha only have chastity. You have to go through that because and then Jar Shadagun Gonone Krishna Napa Hepar. Even Krishna unable to count her all the number of qualities. Whatever you count, everything is her quality. She is just like a, she is no faulty. Her quality is such a way, each quality make Krishna happy. Extremely happy. There is Sadgun, means good quality. Gonone is counting. Krishna, Lord Krishna. Napayapar, unable to count. Uncountable, such good quality. Who has? This is Radharani. Tar gun gonibe kamona jeev chhad. How the normal people will count her quality. How they can count? Uncountable. That is explained by Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Pad. Text number 184. Let me go there, whatever our Prabhupada says, Adi Lila, Chaturtha Pariched, 69, 75, 79, 90, 96. So too many sloka I have to read. Should I read? No, today no time. Tomorrow I will read. এ পর্যন্ত রাধা কৃষ্ণ তত্ত্ব এক্ষণে রস ও প্রেম তত্ত্ব বর্ণারম্ভ. Just now, Krishna says, Radha Krishna tattva we describe. Now we have to discuss about Rasho Premo Tattva. Rasho, Melo, Premo, loving Tattva. It's truth. That we have to discuss. Prabhu kaya janilu Krishna, Prabhu kaya janilu Krishna, Radha Premo Tattva. Shunite chahiye tumhare bilasha mahatto. Prabhu means Ramana. Actually, we can say there's whatever the conversation started, it's all the description Krishna Kaviraj Goswami explained, just like a Raya Ramananda explained to Mahaprabhu. In that way, we read, there is no writing there, Raya Kohe. Therefore I am explaining that all Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami said. But actually, it is through the Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, we can say Rai Ramananda was explaining to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Therefore, next text says, Prabhu kaya janilu Krishna Radha prema tattva. Now I know, Prabhu means Mahaprabhu says, and now I know the truth of Radha Krishna, which Radha, which Krishna. That I know. Shunita chahiye nuhar bilasha mahatma. I would like to hear the bilas, how they manifest first times. Rasho Premo Lila, which is composed by Rupa Goswami. You know, Mahaprabhu appeared with his associates. Krishna appeared with his associate. So Haridas Thakur, through Haridas Thakur, Lord Chaitanya informing all of us the glories of holy name. Haridas Dara Korila Nam Mahatma. Here, but I don't know where. Maybe some chapter is back. Haridas Dara Korilen Nam Mahatma Prachar. Nam Mahatma Prachar means glories of holy name. Mahaprabhu spread through Haridas. Sanatana Dara Korilen Bhakti Siddhantar Vichar. Through Sanatana Goswami, he composed all the rules and regulations of devotional practice. That is Shirup Dara Korilen Radha Krishna Rasho Prema Lila. All the Rasho Prema means mellow food, full of mellow and loving mellow pastime, mellowful pastime. Loving mellowful pastime of Radha Krishna, composed by Rupa Goswami. He engaged everyone different services. Then at the end, Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami says, Ke bujhite pare gambhir chaitanya khala. Who can understand these grave pastimes of Radha Krishna, Lord Chaitanya? He brought everyone different purpose. So here we know this, all the pastimes composed by Rupa Goswami. Anyway, now what they say? Brajer Kishore Kishorir Charitra Varna. Brajer Kishore Kishore. When you are doing Mangalarati, what you are chanting? Vashi Achin Goracha Ratanosh. No, it is a Swandarati. Bhale Gora Pada Dharer Aratine Hari Nadia Puru Habe Jai Boli Hari Kalpo Toruru Tali Ratno Singhasana Pori Sabu Saki Beshtito Kishoro Kishori. Means under the wish fulfilling tree, on a beautiful throne, Kishore Krishna, Radha Krishna sitting there, and surrounding Radha Krishna is all the gopis. They are serving that. So there is the Brajer Kishore Kishori Charitra Varna, Charit Varna, their character description. Now Rai Ramananda says, Rai kahe Krishna hoy dhiro loli nirantar kamo kira jahan rochari dhiro lalit. Fiction. So now we have time over. We can just talk from there. Radha Krishna Rasha Prema and Radha Krishna Charitra Varna. We start from there tomorrow. We have to Ratridana, how they are manifesting pastimes, that we have to describe now. Before it was no We have no interest because we are not understanding all the Tetris Sanchari means ecstatic, loving symptom, 33 symptom. All this Radharani's quality, everything is not understandable for us. I hope now the pastimes appear. Hope everybody can enjoy from tomorrow. And I will try my best way to read Prabhupada's description. Yeah. This is too much, no? Wow. Not end up. No? There is also one teaching that Prabhu kahe, Vidya Moddo Kon Vidya Sar, I don't know where is it. I think that there is at the end there should be there. Anyway, when we have to go through that. So we should start from tomorrow. Rasho Premo Tattva Varnarama. Rasho Premo. Loving, mellow. Hare Krishna.